The finance sector companies are slowly learning their way into taking advantage of AI in finance. The benefits of using AI in finance are wide and varied, including using AI for task automation. For fraud detection, you can use AI for delivering personalized recommendations, and this will be helpful in ensuring easy and smooth all-round-the-clock customer services. It helps in reducing the need to constantly keep repeating work. AI are much more accurate as compared to human beings. Therefore, employing the use of AI reduces human errors in work. And if you think about it in the long run, it may be a method to save money. It is equally not a surprise that AI has been deployed even in other areas of finance apart from banking, such as in trading, where there is AI-driven algorithmic trading, in insurance advice and insurance claims, as well as in chatboxing for different client services. Here is a surprising fact. There is an AI that can help you get the cheapest online deals by finding products on sale. How amazing is that, guys? Take the example of JP Morgan Chase. JP Morgan Chase is a top financial service provider that has fully embraced AI in its technology. JP Morgan is known for investment banking, financial services for consumers and small businesses, commercial banking, financial transactions processing all the way to asset management. Chase is using AI to reduce the cases of fraud in its company. But how does it do that? You may wonder. Well, stick around. I shall do all the explaining on how this happens. It may seem like a very complicated thing, but it isn't. It is absolutely fascinating. I shall explain it in the simplest terms possible, but for now. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So nice to have you here. And today, as you may have already figured out, we shall be talking about AI in finance. How are top companies utilizing AI in finance? Is this helpful? What are the challenges these top companies are facing? I hope you have fun watching this video, and I hope to answer any questions in your mind at this point. But if I don't, feel very free to add your question in the comments section or anything you may want to say for that matter. Remember to like, share this video widely and subscribe. Where were we? Chase, right? As you may already know, consumer banking at Chase represents 50% of its net income. These are really the people you have to invest in to maintain the business afloat. Chase has therefore embraced the use of AI in detecting fraud in the company. But how does this happen? To detect fraud patterns, Chase has put in place a screening tool. Whenever a credit card transaction is processed, let us say whenever you want to use your credit card, Chase has set up data centers, and all of the transaction details are sent to central computers in Chase's data centers. These determine the legitimacy of the transaction, or if it is fraudulent. One thing about AI that makes this absolutely error-free is simply that AI is thorough with everything. The next company we shall have a look at is Ally Financial. American bank holding firm Ally Financial is based in Detroit, Michigan, and was founded in Delaware. Despite having over a century of experience in the banking sector, Ally has embraced the usage of AI in its mobile banking application. A chatbot powered by machine learning is used by the bank's mobile platform to help customers with inquiries, transfers, and payments, as well as to provide payment summaries. The chat boxes are often used in two ways. Users may simply speak one, or users may choose to text with the chatbot to take care of their banking needs because it is text and speech enabled. The use of the chat box has improved user experience, with customers reporting great satisfaction with the service. It has reduced the overwhelming lines in customer service at the front office, and for Ally Financial Company, no one can complain about this accurate and efficient technology. The next company is Capital One. Capital One is a financial company that can help you to do things like verifying your pre-approval status for card, offers that won't affect your credit score, and saving with one of the highest savings rates in the country. With Capital One, you can keep your money growing at certain interest rates, and they can help you to acquire a new car. Before you even go to the dealer, pre-qualify to discover what your actual rate and payment will be. Capital One is leveraging the use of AI to effectively cater to its consumers. With Capital One, shopping online has also become very easy. Their free tool at Capital One Shopping immediately finds discounts and adds them to your cart while online shopping. We have to acknowledge that this is really a good deal. It therefore is no surprise that this latter feature makes it my personal favorite. The next company we shall look at is Casisto. With the goal of enabling businesses to interact and transact with their customers through intelligent conversations, Casisto was established in 2013. With the help of the conversational AI platform from Casisto, KAI, organizations can equip intelligent digital assistants with a broad AI technology stack and subject knowledge appropriate to their sector. Major investors have been drawn to digital-first banks in some regions of the world, particularly the UK, where they have recently made headlines. One of the businesses that introduced digital-first banking to the US is Casisto. Banks may create their own chatbots and virtual assistants using the conversational AI platform from Casisto called KAI. It is grounded in AI logic and can interpret and produce natural language, so it can deal with complex queries about financial management. Banks like the UAE-based digital bank, Liv, DBS Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, and TD have all used Casisto's technology. Several financial institutions employ KAI-based bots, help consumers to make foreign transfers. It helps to stop credit card charges, and whenever the bots run into any kind of trouble, you immediately get transferred human assistance. The next batch of companies we shall have a look at are utilizing AI to ensure security of customers. Security being second on Maslow's hierarchy definitely attracts quite a number. The Socure company has an AI that ensures the security of its clients. The system usually is able to analyze your data, both online and offline, and social data to verify identity, hence ensuring security. To determine whether an applicant's information is being used lawfully, the system runs predictive data science on data, such as email addresses, phone numbers, IP addresses, and proxies. The Socure type of AI is being utilized by a majority of fintech companies all over the world. The disadvantages of AI in tech include the very high costs to implement AI in any company in order to get it running smoothly and effectively. The technology is very, very expensive, even though in the long run, it has been noted to be actually cost-effective. Banks that have attempted to use artificial intelligence have had to make a large initial investment. Additionally, because there is a shortage of workers who can support the creation and upkeep of these systems, banks must pay these workers very expensive salaries. Because of this, banks using artificial intelligence actually experience short-term financial losses. Nonetheless, they are still making investments because they are confident that the technology will give them a competitive advantage in the market soon and that all of their efforts will be rewarded. The next disadvantage is that mistakes can also have very high costs. This is especially true for the commercial banking sector. Million-dollar loans from commercial banks are not uncommon. At the moment, systems are employed as a support tool, while these loans are carefully assessed by people. With the introduction of commercial banking, this circumstance is probably going to change. As a result, systems will be crucial, and people will just be as supporting cast members. Hence, banks will be responsible for any consequences if the system makes a mistake, like disbursing a loan to an unreliable counterparty. The next very worrying major obvious effect of AI is heavy on the section of the country's macroeconomics. AI can cause unemployment. Many of the tasks currently carried out by people are probably going to be automated. As a result, banks would require a significantly smaller human workforce. As a result, banks won't hire anyone to replace departing staff members and will conduct fewer hiring drives. This implies that many employees could be faced with early retirement or possibly layoffs. This could lead to staff dissatisfaction at major commercial banks, which could reduce productivity and partially negate the benefits of technological innovation. It is truly fascinating what these AI can do and how effective the work of AI can be, but having looked at a few major disadvantages, give us your feedback on whether you think AI should be employed in finance or not. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you have more info on AI in finance, how that works and which company uses what. I look forward to having you for my next session. Let us do this again, shall we? Please share this video widely and do not forget to hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time. Bye guys.